Everybody, today we're going to be programming a new remote for a Hyundai I30. This is like a 2010 model. Pretty straightforward. This is the original customer's remote. As you can see, works. The new remote does nothing. First thing we're going to do is we're going to plug our OBD2 port. So in these ones there's actually a nice handy little compartment that's called fuse OBD. So you want to pull that off. Underneath you want to plug your OBD port into it. Make sure that you do have lights on the OBDSTAR. As you can see, the Bluetooth is flashing because it's not connected. It is now connected. So on the actual tablet itself, pretty much you want to hit diag program, immobilizer option. You want to come across to Hyundai. If I can find it.
Top right, next page.
There we go.
No, top left.
Select the latest version, of course. We're going to go to select by type. We're going to go 16 pin because we're using 16 pin and type 1 program remotes. It's going to ask you to switch the ignition on and then off again and remove key. So with a working original one, we want to insert key, turn to the on position, turn to the off position, remove, and hit yes to continue. Press lock for more than 1 second. As you can hear, you get a beep. Now with these, you do want to reprogram in the originals because it will remove the actual car's memory. So when it says, do you wish to program another? We'll say yes, and we want to program in the genuine back in. It's programming complete. You want to back right out of the system. Lock it, unplug your OBD2 unit, and then test. That's it.